Hello everyone and welcome. In this video I'm going to walk you through how to update Opera GX on your PC. It's actually a very simple process. The first thing is from here, after launching your Opera GX browser on your computer, in the left corner of the browser window, click on the logo. So once you click on the logo, it will open up the main menu. So you click on it at the top. So you saw where I clicked that switch. Then you see updates and recovery. Now as you can see, mine is already up to date, so it's in here updated. So because already updated, you can see that option. So it's already updated, but in yours you should be able to see the option for update, so just click on it. Then to begin downloading automatically and installing the updates. And if you, like I said, if your browser is up to date, you see this message that says up to date. Let me take it back so you can see the message. So back I'm updated here. If it's up to date, you see this message here coming. Okay, the message is gone now. So showing before how did it to update complete, Opera is up to date, to show it there. Now you can also restart your browser after it has updated successfully. Now normally Opera GX updates automatically in the background, but you can however still check manually in case of any other updates. It's very important to keep your browser updated to ensure you have the latest features, security patches and performance improvements. So if you have any trouble updating your Opera GX, you can visit the Opera Help Center website or community forums for assistance. Hope you found this video helpful. Do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more. Thanks for watching.